Alright. Village dog. Begging my wife for some of her. With the dread over there. Alright, Benji. Hi, Benji. Looking like Benji. See him? Alright. Alright. Hi, Benji. You got the dreads going on, huh? So what's your name? You got some pretty eyes. You got some pretty eyes. Ain't you got some handsome eyes, buddy? You mean to say pretty? He's a boy. Yeah, got some handsome eyes. You know how to pay attention, huh? Little Benji on the porch just waiting. Yup, find it. Where is it? You smell it. It's somewhere in there. Yeah, you got that little crumb. Some people don't like when you feed their dog. We was out by the junkyard, and I didn't want the food to go to waste because I wasn't finna eat it. So I gave it to the dog. Like, what you feed my dog for? Fuck, cause I ain't want it to go to waste. And the motherfucker look hungry. Cause he showed posted up on me just like this. He made a bark at me, and then when I pull out my plate, the motherfucker stopped bark.
Feed that dog, right?
Alright. Yeah, so you don't come to their crib. So you can't come to their crib. You can't make friends with people, dog. And then he in a junkyard, so he definitely don't want the junkyard dog to be friendly. That motherfucker ain't had no water or no food. So I gave him a little bit of both. Gave him the last of my water and the rest of my food. Cause motherfucker give me food with fucking meat in it. And I told him I didn't want no meat. So I gave the meat to the dog. Huh? Cucumber. Cucumber. Cause I ain't blended up all the way. Alright, I'm done. 3 minutes.